Okay, what's going on YouTube? So I didn't even plan to make this video. I'm just going through, the market right now, post session. We ended up winning a trade. I'm logging it right now. I can't really show you. I'm gonna put up a screenshot of even if I can, a screen recording of us in the trade. Right, you're gonna see us in the trade live, and you're gonna see me shorting from this position right here. This is a beautiful setup. Hold up. This is a trade I literally looked at and I was like, bro, I gotta break this down for YouTube. Like, I'm gonna break this down for YouTube, and I'm actually gonna be posting in the description a link to a Telegram channel. And in that Telegram channel, I'm gonna try to drop as many breakdowns as I can, hopefully every single night for the morning, or in the morning actually, before market open. I'm not really gonna advertise it, so if you guys don't see this video, maybe I'll post it in the next one. I'm not sure, but if you guys manage to catch this video, it's going to be in the description. Just join the Telegram. I'm going to be posting out the breakdowns every day and go through the market and pre-market analysis, right? So let's break this down. Right here. This is a beautiful trade that I'm looking at, and I'm just going to literally clear my chart, and I'm going to take you how I went to do the morning. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at the previous daily candle, right? And I'm going to take a note of key things, right? It's open and it's closed and the highs and the lows, right? What do I see here, right? So I'm going to be taking a close look at the daily time frame, right? I'm going to mark off a key level. To me, I feel like this is a key level right here. We have a daily imbalance that we're pushing up to right now. I'm going to be looking at the open, high, low, and close of the last daily candle, which in this case would be Friday, right? I'm looking at the low, I'm looking at the high, and I'm looking at the body. It was high momentum bullish level. So this is actually my draw. This is what I'm going to use as my draw, okay? So this is at the end of Friday. I'm going to push us up into Monday. So where we're at now, actually, when we actually go into Monday, right? This is 2 a.m. This is a 2 a.m. candle. So what this means is that at 6 a.m., at the end of this 4-hour candle, this is how we close. So right now, it's technically 6 a.m. what we're looking at right now, pre-market. What am I looking at? Couple of things here, right? We have a new daily opening gap, okay? So what this is a gap in the market that price tends to draw to rebalance it out. For me, it's just a high efficient balance, imbalance in the market that price is going to come back to, right? It's going to fill in that daily gap. So this is perfect because my draw on liquidity was this daily imbalance up here, but price is already here coming into session, right? We're coming into, Monday, we're coming into the new week, price is already there, right? And I have a new draw in being my daily gap right here, when Monday opened up. So, now it's in confluence, right? My draw was up here. Price can bounce off this level and go to my draw, right? Our draw is down here. We're going to use this level, hopefully, to go our way, right? But we still need to look at a couple of different things. This is still 6 a.m. We still have to wait for 9:30. So let's see what happens between now and 9:30. So what we're looking at right now is the close of the 8 a.m. candle. So it is 9 a.m. now. So this is where we're at now. It is 9 a.m. and I can clearly see one thing, right? I'm going to go down to the lower time frame and I'm going to clearly draw out the London range right here. How do I just know it's London? Because we're in New York and obviously these are London. These are, it's just, you just look at it now. So let's go ahead and mark this off and we're going to give this a different color. We're going to give it like a blue, right? This is the London range right here. And I know it's the London range because it happened in London, right? So price now has given me another confluence. I've located the power of three right here, right? The first step in the power of three is accumulation. Accumulation, you're going to want price to manipulate now, right? Where are those stop losses at? Where are all the orders in? How many people broke out long in here? Who's looking to continue this move? Who are still in these shorts all the way up here? It's going to go stop hunting, right? So I'm looking for price to sweep these London highs, but I'm also originally in the daily fair value gap I wanted to short to. And again, whatever I get from now on, I'm going to be targeting this daily gap all the way down here. So it being 9:30 or it being in the 9 o'clock time frame, I'm looking for two things, right? My entry formulas, not formulas, but change the state of direction. I want price to break structure. I want price to go the other way, or I want a lower time frame FVG. Right, a lower time frame fair value gap. I wouldn't take a lower time frame fair value gap if it's all the way up here. It would probably have to break structure and then give me a 1 minute time frame fair value gap, right? So I wouldn't take something like this. I wouldn't take something like this, and then price creates a fair value gap right here, and then drops. On the 1 minute time frame. Pretend this is a 1 minute time frame because on the 5 minute. we still have to break structure. But if price breaks, I don't necessarily have to wait for a whole 5 minute break of structure. You might not even get it, right? So once we break and we close, that 1 minute time frame is going to give me a continuation to go lower. So I missed this trade, okay? Like I wanted to take the inversion. I missed the trade, and it went straight to our draw, right? This was a beautiful move, 2.5 times our risk for 116 points. Beautiful move. So what do we do now? So first of all, I'm looking for price to balance out this entire gap. But what I actually did was I deleted those lines and I searched for a new level of sell side liquidity, right? Which is going to be this one right here. Okay, this is a higher low point, right? This is where price can continue to potentially reverse. And all I want is to continue this trend right here. So if you see, what do we get? We actually got a 5 minute fair value gap, right? We not only broke structure, we got a 5 minute fair value gap. So our entries, our guidelines for our entries is still in play, right? Change to delivery, and then we get a fair value gap break. Now I'm just waiting for the retest. Still didn't get it. I was so scared here. I was like, please don't go without me. Please don't drop. I want you to come back up here. Okay, we actually set a sell limit. We set a sell limit, which I don't like to do. But we set a sell limit. Price is playing throughout all of the rest of the session, right? It's 10. By the time we get here, it's going to be 11. By the time we get here, we finally tick. We had our sell limit right here. We had our sell limit right here. I had a safe stop, so I was really confident. And this is what price ended up doing. It was a beautiful, beautiful move. It took all morning, because think about it. We got this drop here at 9:50. We didn't get this entry until 11:30. So we didn't get our entry for another like 2 hours after that. I kind of just waited for this fair value gap to be hit, and that was all I waited for. And I kind of just put a sell limit on, and I put my phone down, and then price did this. This was a beautiful trade right here, and this can't get any more textbook. So I'm just letting you guys know. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. Very in-depth. I literally just took you through my mindset throughout the markets, and that's what I'm going to be dropping in the Telegram. I'm not going to promise anything, but I'll try every day, every other day. We'll come up with something. So I do just want that Telegram to just get like these thoughts out there, and I'm not going to just drop a YouTube video every single time I do that. So put it in the Telegram, try to give value. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a beautiful trade setup. I hope you guys can learn something from this. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate it.